Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious chocolate fudge cake. Start off by preheating your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Put all your dry ingredients into one bowl and then put your wet ingredients into another bowl. Add your wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix this until it's nice and smooth. Divide the mixture between two cake tins and bake in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's nice and brown on top. You can test with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, they're ready. Leave them in the tray for about 5 to 10 minutes and then flip them over and put them on a cooling rack to cool completely. When your cake is cooled, you can decorate it any way you want. I'm just going to decorate this with some chocolate buttercream. So I'm just going to put some chocolate buttercream in the middle, get another cake, cover it on top, and then ice the top with some more of the buttercream. And I'm going to cut it open and you can see the inside. It's nice and cooked through and it tastes great. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbrownbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.